Well, good morning, guys. I thought I'd start out today fishing the docks. Haven't fished them in a while, so don't know if anything's here or not, but we'll give it a shot. I've been asked a lot in the last week or so. Since I caught the big trout, was that my largest ever? And no, it was not. I've been fortunate to catch several large trout over my many years of fishing. Late 50s, early 60s, large trout were plentiful. And in those olden days, we didn't measure fish, we weighed them. So my largest trout weighed a little over 12 pounds. And if you use the trout rule, 1 pound for every inch over 20 inches, I'd put it at 32 inches, but it could have been 33 or 34 for all I know. It was big. There we go. Little trout. A very small trout. But I'll take him. Thank you, buddy. There we go. This one's staying down, but it is a trout. Oh man, get my glasses wet. Thank you, sir. There we go. A little bit bigger. A little bit bigger. I'm going to say it's a lot bigger than those last ones. Just jump in the net, please. Nice trout. Nice trout. "19 inches. I've been instructed to bring home some fish, so my good friend, you're going home with me. And you're going to be dinner tonight. I'm in 7 feet of water, but there's a drop off that comes right along here, and that's what I'm fishing, is the drop off. I'll probably throw into about 2 feet of water, 2.5 maybe. There we go. Another nice sized trout. Oh, he got off. You can't catch them all. I'm gonna try though, but we have a high tide this morning. And fishing is always better on a high tide in this area. Ooh, look at that swirl. Big swirl. I wonder which way he went. Since the water's pushing that way, I would think he might go that way. So that was a big fish. There we go. Got him. Oops, lost him. Well, I was going to go fish that way, but that gentleman moved in on me, so I don't guess I will. Well, he is going out, so I'm going to sneak right in along the shoreline here. For those of you who fish this area, on this side of the island right here, when you get right along here where that little point is there, you need to stay within 10 yards of the shoreline, because there are a lot of little stick-ups, poles that are just below the surface, and they will damage your kayak. I speak from experience. Last year I scratched the bottom of my kayak pretty good. Got a pretty good gash in it. Well guys, I gave this side a good shot. Did catch a few fish. I think I'm gonna go on up that way. I'm hoping this is gonna clear up here in a little bit. It was supposed to be a nice day. Maybe it will come yet. So Little redfish, I think. I don't have my rear camera on. Pretty little thing. Had any luck yet?
Landed one red and lost them.
Yeah. I just caught a little one around the corner there, but no size.
Yeah, all the fish, I caught like 25 specks out here the other day, and they're all
Yeah.
biggest ones.
Whoa. Little trout. All right. Nice redfish. Yeah, they're not that big, but bigger than the ones I've been catching. These are probably a keeper, but I don't like to keep them that small. Thank you, buddy. Well, guys, it's getting pretty rough. Winds kicked up pretty good, and I've had a good day, so I'm going to head on in. A few more casts. What the heck.